Hello everybody, I am making this video to show you how to get to the project database through Canvas. So let's say you log in and you're on your dashboard. Your dashboard will look different than mine does, so keep that in mind. But you want to go to JMD 150 Class 2026 Scholarly Inquiry. So I'm going to click on that. Then what I'm going to do right now, just to best show how both of our pages will look, I'm going to go to Student View. You do not need to do this because you already are in Student View, but I am not. So this will more closely mimic what you are seeing. So I'm on the front page. I am just going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and underneath Scholarly Inquiry Information and Resources, I'm going to go to the middle reddish one that says Research Resources and let that redirect me. So that's going to bring me to a couple of different modules, and I want to look at this module right here, Project Information. And specifically, I want to go to Potential Projects and Advisors. And after that has loaded, there's a lot of information here that you can read through just to see and learn more. But what you're specifically looking for right now is the SI Project Database. So you want to click on that hyperlink, and another tab should open. You're going to be prompted to enter your campus key and your password, and then you want to log in, and then you are successfully in the database. So just a few notes about how to go through this. So if you scroll down, there are the names of different PIs that you can work with, their affiliation, and ideas or topics. We also have the different categories for the different tracks that these projects would fulfill. If you have something specific in mind, whether it be different categories you want to work in, keywords, or a specific PI, you can also search that and then it will come up, so you have to scroll through less. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I can be reached at mym552@jefferson.edu. Thank you.